interview with Celia 5 and Charlie the dog. Now! I'll be your interviewer, and this is Celia 5. Move out of the camera. And we got a very special guest here. Our cousin, Charlie the dog. Oh, come on, Charlie. I'll get him. Here, leave the poor dog alone. Let me do it. Hey, Charlie. Come here. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Oh, wow. Can you move out of the camera? I'm going to sit there. Who's the good boy? Good boy, Charlie. Come here. We've done the trick boy. Look up. Look at 8. Look up. Sit, Charlie. Sit. No, I have to. There you go, Charlie. Leave him alone. Ow! Ow! No, I want him there. You just ruined our chances. Sit. No, just go sit. Hold it up above him. Hold it up above him. Sit. Hold it up above him, I'm telling you. Sit. No, hold this up above him. Sit, Charlie. Good boy. And just let him have it. And out of the give it to, don't. There you go, Charlie. Well, as I was saying, Charlie, just leave him alone. He deserves it. This is our cousin Charlie the dog.
I hope you didn't see his butt.
This is our cousin Charlie the dog. He's not a metaphorical cousin because if he was a metaphorical cousin or a biological cousin, that would not work. That would just be weird. Like, dog cousin. So he's my cousin's dog, which in a way makes him my cousin.
He's a black poodle.
I think they've already established that. I think they already know that. Because No. Just leave him alone.
No.
Just leave him alone. He's just a poor dog, right, doggy? Let's show him the trick. Hey, Charlie, are you very, very dumb? Yes. Look, come here. Oh, hold it towards the camera. Hey, Charlie, are you very dumb? Yes. Are you smart? No. There you go, now.
You're not really letting me in the phone call.
Well, what have you been doing on your channel?
I did a tour.
What are you gonna do? Did you say you were gonna do a Barbie movie?
When I got home.
When you get home from what?
This is our cousin. Our baby.
Oh, when you get home. Yeah, when we get home. That's good. So,
usually call up 8 and not be in the center.
You want more subscribers? Charlie, what have you done? What have you done? No, I want him facing me. No, I want him facing... He's not going to go... Oh, he's going to go after that. Because it's Charlie the dog. Charlie's like looking at the camera. He's like, what's
Charlie,
happening?
He's scared. He's scared to go
Just go get the dog.
out of the pillows.
This one over here has had... This one over here has had too many Red Bulls for breakfast. Too many Red Bulls.
I didn't even have breakfast.
No, I meant for your midnight snack breakfast.
Oh, they can't see your face. No, they can.
Hello. I'm sorry you can't see. You want me to angle it? Yeah, let me angle it. No, get that. They don't want to see that. What is wrong with you? And that smells so bad. What? Let's get down to business. Sit down. Well, you haven't really done it. Look at me, you. Just one time. That could have hit my camera, you know.
I can't do it.
Don't. If you did that, you would not be alive. Just leave it alone.
I hope they didn't see my underwear.
This is an interview. An interview. Well, you haven't done anything in a month. You haven't done any videos in a while.
Yeah.
But something big happened to me, a big milestone. I hit 618 views. Can I just say while she's doing that, because she's not paying attention,
Tug of war.
that this is... Don't you dare! No, thank you. 618 views, that's incredible. My last few video was my LG Gizmo Power video. And 618 views on my Turtle channel. That's amazing. I'm going to give you more content. That's amazing. She's just jealous because nobody's watching her videos. That's the... Hey, you bow and respect. Their viewers who spend, like, good time out of their day to do this. Don't you look at me like that. You're not innocent. I'm your brother. I spend 24/7 doing things for you.
You're the one who lost it from your life.
I'm the one who takes care of you. I'm the one who. What? What?
About.
Well, you can carry on with my video first time. Just put that down. And you come back on your own.
Oh, a jello.
You did. Oh, thank you.
A jello. A jello.
Why are you saying? Do you even know what that means?
No. I just like to say.
Neither do I.
A jello.
I don't even.
Let's
know
look it up. A jello.
Can I
A
have
jello.
I want to do something called dog trampoline, or AKA trampoline the dog. Move this. You take that side, I take this side. We gotta move this closer.
Why?
So they can see it. It's heavy, I know.
It's not heavy at all.
Alrighty.
Well, only a little bit. Hey, why are you... Okay.
I put it down.
Get the dog!
Jordan, you want the ball?
Oh,
Come on! Do it again. Get shot and just shot. No!
Stop.
Let me do it. Jordy!
Just get him on
Let
there.
go!
Ow!
That's how
Ow.
to get on it.
Wipe my leg.
Oh, why don't you get on it, dog?
And I also have a big bumpy bump on my hand. Big bumpy bump. Wait, that's my big bumpy bump.
Dog! Alright,
I'll keep you guys occupied. Can't touch it. Can't touch it.
Stop it!
Hey, I'm entertaining them.
Well, this is entertaining us. This is called Follow the Leader with the dog. He's following the leader, the leader, the leader. He's following me, the leader, even though he's really sniffing my butt. Even though he's really sniffing my butt. I know that he really doesn't care. Alright, sit down.
Ow!
Just put him down.
Let's try
Poor
it.
dog. Let him off.
No!
Stop torturing the
Ew,
dog.
I touched his ball. Ew, ew.
Just put it down. Just sit down. Alright.
Yeah.
What are you going to be doing in the future? Is that it? That's it.
And maybe a tour of my house.
Alright, well then, is that it for this?
I guess so.
No. It's not over.
Wait, I've been wanting to show you something. Can you take the camera card to 8? I need to show you something. The dog jumping on there.
No, we're not getting the dog to jump on it.
No. I'm gonna...
No! Sorry.
Let's go over to
Sorry. Let's, well,
Well,
thanks for watching.
funny.
Wait, can I just have that for a while? Charlie, come here. Give me that. Give me that.
I was gonna eat it. Ew.
Jordy. Come here, Charlie the dog, I want to thank you for watching. You can like if you enjoyed the video. Comment if you have anything. Share your thoughts in the comments. Or subscribe to keep up to date with all my latest videos.
You have a wet thing on your chin.
What?
You have a wet thing on your chin.
What is it? Oh, this thing? Oh, that's just a scab. Why are we getting off topic? So you can check her out. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check her out. It's Celia5. YouTube.com/Celia5. I'll leave a link.
Come over to my channel. It's really fun and cute.
And so thanks Celia5 for being here and doing this. This is fun. And thanks to Charlie the dog for being a part of this video and being cooperating with this. So I know she's going crazy. Just don't go ape on me. I'm glad you didn't go ape on me.
I want to go ape on Charlie though.
No. Okay, fine.
I want to go ape on Charlie.
Alright. Thanks guys for watching. Car Rocker 8 drifting away. Vroom vroom revs. See you next time, guys.
You